Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm going to show you some sewing projects that you can use as Christmas gifts. So let's take a look at the first two. This is a towel apron and it hangs over your towel bar. I put ours over our dishwasher handlebar and it's so cute. It looks like a little girl's dress. Over here is another decorative towel. This also, it has a snap and it hangs over your towel bar or your dishwasher, and you put fabric on the ends, put some decorative ribbon, and you can also put a little heart applique in it. Now I forgot to mention earlier, all of the links to these projects will be listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. So you scroll down, click on the words show more or the down arrow and it will expand open. This is a bib apron and you can use any standard bib apron pattern you like, and I will show you how to customize it to fit anyone, whether it's an adult, someone tall, short, wide, narrow, to where you can get it to custom fit. And you can also make it two-sided. You can add other fabric on the back so you have two different aprons. These are bottle aprons, and in the tutorial I show you how to draw this pattern. It's really easy, and you can either use your 1/4 inch wide bias tape or cut your own bias tape to trim the edges. And so what it is this part here goes up over the top of the bottle and you tie it in the back. This is also great for people who love certain types of cooking products like cooking oils. You can make these cute little aprons, put the name of the oil on the outside, or even put them on wine bottles. Pot holders are a lot of fun, and they are great projects for people who are just learning how to sew. Really simple. You can take old scrap fabrics, stitch them together and make fun pot holders, or strips of fabric. Maybe you've been using a lot of jelly rolls. You can cut squares, make a 4-patch, put little squares in the corners, and then also this style. These are all beginner projects. These are placemats with a scalloped edge on it. And again, it's a beginner's project. I like to use novelty fabrics on a lot of my placemats, but you can use plain fabric. This has got margaritas and tortilla chips, and this has watermelon. But if you want a Christmas theme, all you need to do is pick out some Christmas fabric. This is a table runner, and you often see it referred to as the 10-minute table runner. Now this is my long version, but the shorter one actually takes you maybe 10 to 20 minutes. Very simple table runner to put together, and I do consider it a beginner's project, but I also have a second tutorial on how to make it longer if you like. This is a crossbody bag, or you can even call it a shoulder bag, and it has 2 zipper areas, one at the top and then this other one on the side, so that you have 2 areas to store items. You can make the strap any length that you like. This is a drawstring bag, and it's even lined. These are nice to give to people who like to travel. They can put their shoes in it or any other items that need to be protected while it's in your suitcase. And you just pull it up like that. This is a bucket hat, and I made this for my husband. It's made out of camouflage fabric, but you can make it for any size head and any fabric. I've made them for women as well as men. You can also make pajamas as a great gift, and you can make them for any age. You can also make it out of any fabric you like. I think you should make it out of some type of cotton. These two were made out of flannel. This is Christmas fabric, and this one is some little fabric that I selected for a little girl. This is a little shawl made out of fleece, but it's also got pockets on it. So it's one of those things you can put on sitting in front of the fireplace, and it keeps you nice and warm. This is a poncho that's made out of fleece and it has a hood on it. So let me show it to you close up. With this, you start out as a square and then you fold it corner to corner like this. And then I show you how to cut out a little area for the hood. Really simple project. Now this is a rag quilt. Now these are so easy to make. You just do a few straight seams and then you just clip to get the fringe. You throw it in the washer and dryer and it fluffs up. Now I've made these for adults. This is a baby size, a really nice beginner's project. This is a baby blanket with a hood on it and it's made out of flannel. And you just wrap the baby up in it, fold it over like this, and it's a very comfortable, real snuggly type of blanket. This is a fleece blanket, and you have 2 layers of fleece. You've got a different color on the back than you have on the front, or a different print, either way. But it's no knot tying, no sew, fleece blanket. It's probably my most popular blanket I have. This is a baby-size quilt-as-you-go project. So if you're interested in learning how to make a quilt, these don't take very long to make, and it's a really easy process. There's no binding on the edges. It's what we call self-binding. This is a really simple backpack, and I consider it a beginner's project. And it has a pocket on the outside with Velcro to keep it closed. And then up here at the top, it has another little piece that folds over. But it is a drawstring type of backpack. So you pull it together up here at the top, and you fold this over, and you have a backpack, and it goes over the shoulders. Here's the back of it, and the straps are long enough to fit just about anybody. This is a Christmas bear. I really had always wanted to make one, and finally last year I did. I made this one. Now you don't have to make it out of Christmas fabric. You can make it out of any fabric that you like. And then there's this little vest you can make for it. It's in a separate tutorial, and I really like this. I wouldn't call this beginners. I think you need to be at least an intermediate sewer to put this together. This is a pillow with a Christmas tree appliqued onto it. I have many pillow tutorials, so if you don't want to make one with the Christmas tree on it, I have others. Very simple to more elaborate, so you'll see that link below. This is a really nice poncho to make, and it doesn't take very long. You probably could have it done in an hour. And I made this one for myself, and it's made out of Joann's fabric called Platitudes, and it's easy to fringe up the edges, and you can make it to fit any size individual. This is a reading pillow, and you can make this for anybody who likes to read, or even a student where they could put a study book inside. I have it with sort of a baby theme on it, but you don't have to do that. So I've got a lot of different reading pillows to give you ideas on how to finish it off. So it's so easy to just slip a book in there. You can even put your reading glasses in there. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I've inspired you to make some of these projects. Again, the links are below your YouTube screen, so don't forget to scroll down to that description section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.